ya no se vale. No se vale. Sabes que como yo no se lo hacía, conmigo saca lo de atrevida, lo de calle. Lo de calle. A tu lado, memoria su modo carrusel. Su mano pero ya no sé qué hacer. Extraño lo que te hago en un motel. Dime que los besos que chimba si pasan. Estoy cansado que hablemos por teléfono. Tú ves que mi casa es tu casa. Los polvos no se tasan, porque eso es entre tú y yo. Los besos que chimba si pasan. Estoy cansado que hablemos por teléfono. Tú ves que mi casa es tu casa. Los polvos no se tasan, porque eso es entre tú y yo. Que me tomo de día. Está bien rico pero esa lencería no se vale. No se vale. Sabes que como yo no se lo hacía, conmigo saca lo de atrevida, lo de calle. Lo de calle. A tu lado, memoria su modo carrusel. Su mano pero ya no sé qué hacer. Extraño lo que te hago en un motel. Dime que los besos que chimba si pasan. Estoy cansado que hablemos por teléfono.
I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right. And this pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. Cause now I'm waiting for you to say. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right. This pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. Cause now I'm waiting for you to say. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right. And this pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. Cause now I'm waiting for you to say. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right. This pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. Cause now I'm waiting for you to say. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right. And this pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. Cause now I'm waiting for you to say. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right. This pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've.
Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola. I am a certified personal trainer and I live in the great state of Texas. If you are enjoying this super short workout, I would love to invite you to visit my website, KobokoFitness.com, where you can get daily 30-minute workouts. And on top of that, we now have our own built-in community in the app, which means I can connect with you way more directly and way more personally than I can ever do on these streets, okay? Visit KobokoFitness.com. You will see my child in my workouts because when he sees me doing a workout, he thinks it's time to play. So it is what it is. Mom life. Let's continue.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Look at my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah.
Heard them lanes was talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on and had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, shows.
Smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, what send them? The fam, you a dead man. Jesus, peace to my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah, we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keeping it real, they commend them. Will I get your wife pregnant? But I ain't trying to be dependent. I need money, never ending. talking 100 percentage. I need the owner, you rent it. Word. Whoa, step in the spotty and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic. Breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and yeah, how they got that? Too busy watching us, they need to stop that. Talking my shit, you know we gon' pop that. See it, I like it, yeah, I'm gon' cop that. When we on top, how you on top that? Nah, you ain't got nothing on us. I'm steady calling your bluff. Pass me the split, need me a puff. You don't want smoke, tell them that's tough. Yeah, yeah.
Ice, camera, action, A, it shows I ain't.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the game, we taking shots up the green.
Reps it, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now, push it, 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 push it.
Yeah, I watch Sports Center, not the news. Yeah, couldn't name me Paul cause I'm the truth. Yeah, always find the wins after I lose. Even in way out, you can pick and choose. No. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee. Cause she the only 10 I see.
Reps it, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now, push it, 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 push it.
Never got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a bust down, I like to tell the time. Never have I ever said that I could never. All that doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket, never been to London. I invest before I spend it, my family was struggling. Give my kids lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not fronting.
Reps it, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now, reps it, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now, push it, 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 push it. Reps it, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is.
Yeah.